Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show role colors next to names on your account on accessibility settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click accessibility, and here as you see you will find show role colors next to names. Just click on it like this and that's it. That's how to show role colors next to names on your accessibility settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.